Your team is arguing again. They can't figure out how to work through one of the experiments, and you're sitting down in perspective, and everybody's in disagreement. Or you go to your director or your vice president, and you want them to follow through a proposal that you made, and they disagree. Or let's say you're running sprint planning or retrospective, and there's one team member, Alex, that never agrees and doesn't follow through your proposals, and you just can't seem to work together. So these three scenarios are exactly what we're going to work through in our Persuading the Bear, how to influence with our authority, especially in lean agile organizations, but also elsewhere. So I invite you to join me to the workshop in a full day. We'll do pair exercises, we'll do team exercises, we'll use liberating structures, we'll use training from the back of the room to really make this workshop shine and really about you to figure out what are the tools and techniques you need to develop, working with others, and becoming a great influencer. So I really suggest to see you there. Spaces are limited. Join the workshop, Persuading the Bear, Influence with Our Authority. Thank you.